Alright, so this is a quick unboxing of the new MSI P65 Creator-1084. It's the new Creator edition that was just released. It has a 4K screen, the new i7-9750H, RTX 2060, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and it comes with Windows 10 Pro. So if you order it on Amazon right now, it's going for $2,000 with free shipping. And if you compare it to other computers of the same bracket, this is actually a really good deal. For example, the Razer or the Gigabyte Aero OLED, it's about $600 more. So for what you get, this is actually really good. I do mainly photography, so it's important to have a good screen. So I was pretty happy to finally get a good 4K laptop. Inside you're gonna have this little white box and the laptop. It looks like it's packaged pretty well. It's pretty secure. Here is the power brick. It's not bad. It's pretty much the same size as my Google Pixel. So the one reason why I chose this laptop is because it says it comes with 32 gigs of RAM already preloaded. So other laptops usually come with 16 and you have to pay to upgrade it yourself. So I was pretty happy that I wouldn't have to add more to max out. Yep, looking at the spec sheet in the back, everything matches. 4K screen, 9750H, RTX 2060 with 6 gigs of GDDR6, 1 terabyte SSD, 32 gigs of RAM, and Windows 10 Pro. Here's a little warning card saying that if you have any issues, you can contact them, and to make sure you register to have your warranty active. Ooh, this is nice. It's a very simple design, similar to the other GS line, except it's in silver. Just one color, not gold and black. It feels very premium. You can lift the screen with one hand, don't need to. Ooh, nice. The keyboard has the same font as the other modern, their PS43 modern laptop. It has the wide touchpad. Screen is pretty solid. Flexes a little bit, but it's not terrible. But it's a very nice minimal design. Doesn't have flashy colors. Doesn't scream like Gamer Boy or anything. Just has a little logo right here in the front. The back you can see the large vents for the heatsink. The bottom is perforated as well. It should have pretty good airflow. Let's see if there's any juice in the battery. battery. The power plugs in on the side right here in the middle. We've got, looks like a USB 3.0, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet jack, another two USB 3.0, audio in and audio out. So I set up my computer real quick and just checking the display. It's very sharp, colors look excellent. Windows gestures for pinch and zoom works. Also, a nice little feature is the screen folds flat. It's very snappy. Only issue is, when I was installing, I can hear the drive booting up. It sounds like there's a spinning drive. It's not actually SSD, so I need to double check that. And I have to see if the motherboard supports M.2. If it does, I'm gonna swap out the hard drive. But that's pretty much it. It's a very nice laptop. It feels great. It's pretty light as well. Definitely won't feel this in your backpack. There you go. Hope you enjoyed.